up, people on YouTube? Hope you guys are having a great day today. Well, this is what I do every morning. I break down the stocks that I'm looking at for today and how I traded them. So real quick, before I jump into all this goodness of what happened today, I'm gonna break down to you real quick of what this YouTube channel is about. Pretty much going over of how I trade these low cap stocks, generally stocks that are under $5. And I'm just pretty much documenting how I'm trying to execute on my trading plan. I have a pretty decent trading plan. I just gotta trade it like a robot and get it good. So let's look at TMDI and break it down by trading plan, how I like to execute and what I did wrong, what I could have did a little better, because I definitely could have did a little better today. But let's go ahead and break it down. Alright, but real quick, subscribe to the channel if you want to follow me on these videos on how I do this, and just get a little quick insight. Not saying I'm a pro, master, any of that, just showing you a way that you can trade stocks safely without losing a ton of money. Okay, TMDI here. You can see here I have my Let's Cert here at 0.56, around that area. I was looking at this potential level of support. Seems like this wasn't really a good level of support. It went a little bit lower, but I was looking at this potential level of support, waiting for it to hit my alert. But that's when I realized that, hey, TMDI is not going down, and we got this RSI making higher lows here. Let me go ahead and try it and see if I'm right. Quickly set a stop loss here at 5%, 0.561, but I actually set a stop loss to set if it went below the lowest point, 0.573. Went any below that, I'm out. But lucky for me, or people agreeing with me, that after I bought at 9.52 here, pretty decent price, so I was trying to catch from the lows of this little humps going higher, try to catch from it curling from below. Did that, and then I end up selling half of my shares here on the first up jump here. It was like 7% gain there, and then it went a little bit higher, and I sold the rest of my shares here right under 70 cents. Now look at all this extra gain I missed out on. If I would have raised my stop loss to right here in this area, the stock never comes even close to it. Never even comes. Shouldn't have even sold half of my shares here. But you know, I just like to take in some profit when it gets a little shaky, because it didn't have the best amount of volume. It had a couple 100,000 shares. That's what made me jump in. I was like, okay, it's got a couple 100,000 shares going on, and the stock price is not going any lower. RSI is going higher, saying there's some activity going on. That is called a divergence. Got something going lower and another indicator going higher. So price is an indicator, RSI is an indicator. Two indicators having a divergence might be an indication for a buy. So if I just would have raised my stop, stock goes higher, raise my stop to somewhere around here, maybe even here. Just gotta hold through the downturns here. Just gotta raise the stop. Gotta take my time and do it right. Don't worry so much about this little bit of red. Look at that volume. That's me selling and a couple other newbies just selling while everybody else is taking the free ride up. Free ride up for what, 40%, 65%, or 70% from the lows. Alright, so that's what I gotta do a little bit more better on. Just hanging in there, blocking out the mental, following the rules, taking my time, because price is jumping up and down. See, just like that. Got a nice support line here. Price is just jumping up and down in your face. You want to sell here quickly. You got a 10% gain, but you could miss out on a bigger play. You got some good volume going on. Just gotta hang in there. Okay, so that is all I'm gonna do for the trades. Look at the overall market. We had a high here at 313, and then it went down during aftermarket, pre-market, and now it's zooming up here. A whole percentage gain here, and just trying to see what it wants to do at this resistance here. Seems like we got some defenders on this line, and people want to see the stock price go a little bit lower. Let's see what it does here. We got some curling down here, but we could continue this breakout, so we have to see what goes on. Alright guys, that's it for me. Hope you guys are having a fun time trading, learning how to trade out there and trading safely, trading with a small amount of shares until you get it down pat. Get it down pat. That's what I'm doing, trading with a small amount of shares, trying to make sure that my technique is there and I'm trading with no fear and getting the job done. Alright guys, hit that like button for me if you would. You like these videos, and I will see you guys tomorrow.